Okay, here's all my little sleeping angels. They're starting to open their eyes. So I'm gonna see if I can video this sweet little girl. Oh, I don't mean to scare you. There she is. She's growing like a weed. Oh no, you don't get. It's alright. Oh, here she is, but she's squirming. See? Say hi, Daddy. Okay, hang on. I'm putting you down. There you go. I know, I just woke you up, didn't I? She's a bad person that did that to you. Yeah, that was a bad person that did that to you, huh, sweet girl? Oh, I know it. Little roly-poly. They all are roly-polies, trust me. Oh, she settled back in real sweet. Yeah. That mean old lady woke you up. Here they are.